In the pursuit of success, we often overlook the fundamental truths that govern our journey. It's easy to get lost in the noise of life's challenges and forget that success is not merely a stroke of luck, but a predictable outcome. I have never met any human who said, "I plan to fail tomorrow." No, human wants to fail. Everybody wants to succeed. But I have some good news for you. Success is predictable. Success is not an experiment. Success is not luck you can predict. Success is designed by God to be predictable. But I want to quickly say, failure is also predictable. Here is a paradox. Success is predictable, so you can literally plan success. What made me successful? I'm going to give you the answer now. And it's the same reason why people fail. Success is predictable, and success is predictable because life is designed for your success. But failure is also predictable because failure is the same result as success. God designed everything He created to be successful. You'll never see a fish who cannot swim naturally. You will never see a bird who cannot fly naturally. Every seed, if you put it in the ground and give it water, you don't need to pray. It is designed to bring forth a tree. Everything God created has built into it its own success. God is more committed to your success than you are. And why? Because your success is important to God. God needs you to succeed. Because success is built into creation. By every manufacturer, success is important. To every manufacturer who makes a product, some of you have an iMac in your lap, an iMac. That iMac has a little symbol on it. It's an apple. That apple is the image of the company. Before that image was placed on that company, the company tested the iMac before it left the factory. They made sure that everything necessary for its success was built into it. And the manufacturer took it and put it in a box, then covered it up with a book so you can't see it. He hides the product under a book for a reason. He calls the book the manual. The word manu means to make, and al means to think. So, manual simply means the maker's mind on paper. When you open the box, you don't see the iMac. You first see the book. And the book always says, before operating this product, please read me completely. How many people read the book completely? Don't tell lies. You know you didn't. We never read that book, which means we don't know the mind of the manufacturer concerning his product. Now that book is simply a book of promises and laws. When you take the manual out, the first thing you will see is the image. The next page, you will see promises. This product will perform like this. This product is guaranteed to perform this. They have a long list of promises. But then when you get to the third page, it says, follow these instructions, obey these laws. Do not operate underwater. Do not pretend or attempt to open it and fix it yourself. Do not operate near open heat. Then the next page tells you what to do and tells you how to make sure the product succeeds. Then you get to the last 2 pages and you see something strange. First, it gives you what they call a warranty or a guarantee. The manufacturer guarantees that the product will perform exactly what it promises, but then it gives you a warranty. The warranty says, if you obey the laws that are in this book, then we guarantee that this product is under warranty, which means we will personally protect it. Then it says, if there is any defect in this product, do not attempt to fix yourself. then it says, submit it only to an authorized dealer. Why? There are a lot of dealers, but they ain't authorized. A lot of authors around, but they are unauthorized dealers. The only authorized dealers in the world are the ones that the manufacturer sanctions, like Jesus Christ. And then it says in the book, oh, if this product is defective, put it back in the box, seal it, send it back to us at our expense. We will repair it at our expense. We will ship it back to you at our expense. And if it cannot be fixed, we will replace it with a new one at our expense and ship it at our expense. They're being very nice, aren't they? And the issue is, they don't know you. So they are not doing this because they like you, which means they are doing all of that not for your sake. They like their name. So success is necessary for the manufacturer. You are a product, and the first thing the manufacturer placed on you is his image. Manufacturer says, let us make a product in our image. The first thing he put on you is the most important thing to him, his image. You are just like the manufacturer. That means your failure is bad for God. And the issue is, they don't know you, so they are not doing this because they like you, which means they are doing all of that not for your sake. They like their name. As a success is necessary for the manufacturer. You're a product, and the first thing the manufacturer placed on you is his image. The manufacturer says, let us make a product in our image. The first thing he put on you is the most important thing to him, his image. You are just like the manufacturer. That means your failure is bad for God. The good news is, from this day forward, you cannot fail anymore. God has to guarantee your success, not to protect you. God has to make sure that the vision he gives you succeeds, because his reputation is on the line. So when you read the Bible, all through the Bible, God would say these. No matter where you are right now in your life, I promise you, I guarantee you that you are coming out of your situation, not for your name's sake, but for his name's sake. Thank God. He's the manufacturer. You cannot fail in your business. And this is why, if he told you to go into politics, you have the ability. If he told you to go to university, don't worry about tuition. If he told you to build a church, you have the ability. If he told you to be a lawyer, you have the ability. If he told you to be a teacher, you have the ability. If he told you to build a business, you have the ability. If he told you to build a school, you have the ability. Whatever he told you, he will do it for his name's sake. Let us remember that our success is not a matter of chance, but a manifestation of divine design. Let us embrace the truth that failure is not our destiny, but a deviation from the path laid out before us. With each step, guided by the wisdom of our God's manual, we move closer to realizing our true potential and fulfilling our purpose in this world. Thank you for listening to this message, as we hope that it has been a blessing to you. Our goal is to show you new paths and opportunities so that you can discover your purpose. Please visit our channel for more videos